Hello, SakaFete. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some candied peanut. In Dominica, we call it peanut tablet or loga. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get cooking. For this recipe, I have some raw peanuts, okay? And I did blanch them and remove that little red skin that's on them. Then you have your sugar. So I have some ginger powder, some cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. First thing I'm gonna do is turn on the stove, and then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water to the pot. Okay, so what I did was 2 cups of water, and I have 2 cups of my peanut, and I'm just gonna pour it in there, and then add in 2 cups of sugar to this. For anybody on a diet, this has to be eaten in moderation. Like any candy, it's full of sugar. Next thing, I'm gonna spice it up, so I'm adding nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, and vanilla I will add later. I won't add vanilla right now. So we're just gonna leave that, let it come to a boil, and just let it cook. That's all. Very easy. This peanut tablet, now we call it in the country where I'm from, we say tablet. In the town, they say loga. It's a very popular street food in Dominica. This is something you go out in the afternoon and the vendors would be by the side road and they have their little stalls. And this is something you can pick up and on the go and just take it with you. You can munch on it. So very popular in Dominica, and to this day they still do it, and it's still the same. It's street food. It's starting to caramelize. I'm going to add some vanilla, and I'm putting 1 teaspoon and a little bit. Caramelizing, so we're just gonna leave it, let it continue to boil up. Okay guys, so while I was wetting my board to put the peanut candy on, some of it got burnt. My back was turned, left it on, and that's the problem with this thing. You have to be watching it all the time. But you can see they're overdone. They're a little overdone, so I guess I'll have to make a new batch. So just be careful when you're making this candy. You want to watch it. I'm just going to put a little bit of lemon juice in there and then stir it up. I know back home they put it on leaves, like the banana leaves, but we don't have banana leaves here, so we're going to use a wet board. Here you have it guys, our delicious peanut tablet. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, have yourselves a great day and God bless you.